Hey y'all, we're what are we doing? It's June. Holy crap, y'all, it's June. This is the monthly portfolio update. Um I don't know where I left off, where I was last time, what I said I was going to do, but I'm kind of just winging it like usual. So you may hear me just babble along and and talk about whatever I want to talk about. It's kind of life updates and dividend income updates and all that good stuff. So I'm no longer going to say if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. But I just did. So I guess there goes that. So typically I go over my options trades, but I'm not going to go over every single trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll through it. So from here, May 1st, this is what I closed from here down. So we'll just scroll slowly. Ah, that was a fast scroll. Let's scroll slowly. Okay. There's May 1st, May 5th, May 12th, May 15th. This is the profit realized from those trades. May 17th, 18th, 19th, 23. See if we can scroll down a little more, and 23. So not a whole lot of trades. Oh, and I missed 30 right here. I kind of slowed down on the trades. Premiums aren't that great in the market, so I'm not pushing it. Plus, I work part-time now, so I'm not sitting in front of my computer all day. I might spend a couple hours here and there, go work, and come back, check it out again. But the lack of premium that I feel is attractive just isn't there. Hopefully, I don't want to say hopefully, because if the premium increases, that means the market's going down. So I don't want to wish that on anybody, but I mean, it is what it is, right? That's where we're going to get premium. So I've been kind of slow playing selling premium. So let's take a look at what I sold in the month of May. We'll scroll that real slowly and you'll see, we did some TLTs. A lot of this stuff has been closed out already. Regional banks, my MPW, SOXL had a big run up, and I am not touching that thing for a little while, maybe until it comes down into the teens again. And then we'll start playing with SOXL again. I am still playing TNA, which is the 3x leverage small cap, or IWM. I'm playing both IWM and TNA. I think those are really attractive right now. I'm playing SCHD mainly. I don't mind being assigned SCHD. Let's see what else we got. Bros, Dutch Bros. I'm playing that a little bit, trying to get my cost basis down. Same with MPW, same with Camping World. But there you go. You see, I play in the TNAs, IWMs, the TNAs again. I've been playing TLT. That's the 20-year Treasury. I think that's a good place to be right now. And I've been buying. Well, you'll see what I've been buying when I go to my dividend portfolio. But I've been playing the TLT puts. I think those are very good. And I also did a call way up to 107. Might hit that. I might have to buy some shares to cover that, or just close that position out. But that's, essentially it. So let's take a look real quick at premium cooking. Numbers are going to be off because I've already put in June 1st trades in. So the month of May, you see here, the month of May, we closed out 16 positions. We opened 18. This doesn't quite add up because when I go to the screen that shows the month of May realized premium, it'll be a little higher because this ends May 26th. So that's $1,218. Weekend notionals are here. I'm trying to keep track of what my weekly average notional is. Notional means if you were to be assigned every put that you sold. This is how much it's worth. So I'm trying to average that in, and it's going to take some time to get those numbers and get a real average, because the profit yield, I changed this to annualized profit yield. So you'll see that week we had 100% profit yield. So it's annualized. So if it's 2% that week, right? You times that by 52 weeks, you're 100 and some percent profit yield. So the average right now is 28%. Premium sold. Let's see. What else can we talk about? Cash balance is down to 56,498. Been buying some stuff, and I'm still, putting money to work. Net lick. That's the net liquidation, 120,100 as of May 26th. Withdrawals, I may not be making any more withdrawals, depending upon my job, because my job might cover the difference that I would have needed off of the options portfolio. So we'll see how that goes. Since I'm working, my wife's working, I really, I typically keep a few months of expenses in a savings account, and our payroll checks go into that, and then bills get paid out of that. I may actually spend that down, because there's really not any reason for me to have that if money is coming in. I know the consensus is, have this much in a emergency fund or whatever. I think if you're working, I don't think you need it, especially if you have a good credit card, so your credit card will be your emergency fund. Right. So, that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and look at quick overview, month of May, 1,255. You'll see it's trending down. Like I said, that's the symptom of no premium, and not wanting to chase it. Okay. So I'm just taking what's there, and I don't mind, a little less per month. We're still averaging, I don't know what that average is, but it's something like $1,800 a month or something like that, which to me isn't bad at all. So, let's see what else. Life. I just mentioned the job's going well. I actually enjoy it. It's getting me a little exercise. I've lost probably 5 to 6 pounds. I'm going to be putting it on because I'm recording this on a Thursday, and tomorrow we're having the taco party for my son's graduation. He graduated this past Tuesday on my birthday, which was cool. But I'm going to be eating all-you-can-eat tacos on Friday night. So when you watch this Saturday morning, I will be in taco hangover mode. So maybe next video, I'll share some taco photos or something with you guys. But no, I'm enjoying the job because, it's getting me active. It's getting me moving. It's kicked my butt. Like my legs are sore, doing a lot of walking. But it's probably best for me. So I get paid to exercise. I have a gym here in my home that I don't even use, and I wouldn't use it. I tried it, just didn't work out. Okay. So being paid to go be active is really nice. So now let's take a look real quick at the dividend portfolio and what we bought, what we sold, and all that good stuff. So here we go. Jeppy, we bought 37 shares. Drip 2.2, ended up with a total of 380 shares. JEPQ, all we did is drip 2 shares. MPW, we haven't done anything with that. Neither have we done with Camping World. PDO, I bought a little heavy into this one. This is government and corporate bonds, all kinds of bonds. If you know PIMCO is like the king of bond funds. And I think bonds are kind of where to be at the moment. So I bought a little bit into there. We dripped 4 and we bought 126 shares to end up with 550 shares. QQQM didn't do anything on that. I remember it wasn't too long ago I was saying I want to average down on QQQM, and now I'm up like 5% all of a sudden. I blinked and now we're up on the NASDAQ. So another one, New Tech, did not add to that. I probably will look to add to it. I got to look when their earnings are, and if they miss, I'll probably add to it. Horizon Financial, Technology Financial, sold out of that position. We dripped a share and then I sold out. I got lucky. I had no clue what was going to happen, but I kind of got out at the somewhat top, like closer to the 13 range. I don't remember what it was. And then shortly afterwards, they announced that they were issuing shares and it dropped like 12%. So got out of that one. And essentially, I put the money into PDO and TLTW, because if we look at TLTW, we dripped 1.3 shares basically, and I bought 119 shares, bringing our total up to 250. So how does that do to our, monthly income? So let's take a look at that. Look at the core portfolio. And when we left you off last month, we were averaging 566.28. Okay. Now we did sell out of Horizon, but we did add a bunch. So let's see what it is now. Paste that in. Now our monthly average is up to 635.70 a month. So I don't know what I'll be adding to. I have no problem adding to JEPI. I know people poo-poo on it because the dividend is lower than what it should, or what it was in the past few months. I mean, it's always the shiny thing, right? Everybody chases the shiny thing, and then when something shiny dims a little bit, they hate it. So I'm staying with JEPI. I see no reason to go away. Sticking with JEPQ. Now I may trim JEPQ a little bit because it's up quite a bit. And I'm sitting on like $1,000 worth of gain or something like that. I may sell $1,000 worth of the stock and put it into JEPI or PDO or TLTW or something that I am down on. But I really don't have to do that though, because I'm still sitting on a whole bunch of cash. So I don't know. I'm on the fence on that, but probably won't do anything, to be honest with you. So what else can I tell you? Right now we have $1,187 of premium cooking. Excuse me. Most of that's coming off in June. Here, let's just look right here. Yeah, we got SCHD in 15 days at a 70 strike. I think that's June 16th. Wouldn't mind taking that if it came down to it. Other than that, nothing really pressing. Maybe this TNA at 27.50, but I'm playing the support levels on that one. But other than that, as well as TLT, I think anything under 100 or below is nice. The premium's probably dried up a little bit right now in TLT though. TNA is still decent. That's because that index held a lot of regional banks, and I think that's what held it back this month or recently. So other than that, that's all I got, y'all. I don't know if y'all got questions or anything. Let me know. Links down below to help support the channel. The Amazon link is my favorite, as you guys know. So if you'd use that, I would appreciate it. It doesn't cost you any extra. Just click on the link, shop like you would normally shop, and Amazon sends me a small commission on qualified purchases. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll let you know how I enjoyed the tacos. Hopefully I survive all you can eat tacos. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.